हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। तो आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ आईफोन एससी के बारे में। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। शुरू करने से पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए एंड बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए। एप्पल iPhone SE 2020 iPhone SE 2 smartphone run on iOS version 13.0 operating system. The phone is powered by hexa-core 2.65 GHz dual-core Lightning plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Thunder processor. It runs on the Apple A13 Bionic chipset. It has 3GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Apple iPhone SE 2020 iPhone SE 2 smartphone has a IPS LCD display. It measures 138.4 mm by 67.3 mm and 7.3 mm and weight 148 gram. The screen has a resolution of 750 by 13,044 pixel and 327 ppi pixel density. It has an aspect ratio of 16:9 and screen to body ratio of 65.23%. It has an aspect ratio of 16:9 and screen to body ratio of 65.23% on camera. Front the buyers get a 7 megapixel 2.2 primary camera and on the rear there an 12 megapixel camera with features like 5+ digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 18,021 mAh battery. Connectivity feature in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS mode, NCF and more. Apple iPhone SE 2020 iPhone SE 2 smartphone price in India rupees 42,500. Apple iPhone SE 2020 iPhone SE 2 was launched in the country on May 19, 2020 official. The smartphone comes in two other storage and RAM variant. Apple iPhone SE 2020 128GB, Apple iPhone SE 2020 256GB as for the color option. The Apple iPhone SE 2020 iPhone SE 2 smartphone come in black, red, white colors. Thank you for watching my video.